Juki DDL-8100 Economy Straight Stitch Industrial Sewing with Servo Motor, DDL-8700 Table Cut Lamp. D. Assembly required. Please note machine comes unassembled, with sewing machine table and electronic 550 watts energy saver, and quite running DC servo motor. Included accessories in the machine: 8100E head, bobbin winder thread stand, machine oil instruction manual, oil pan, knee lifter, V-belt. Juki DDL-8100 single needle lockstitch industrial sewing machine, not a walking foot. It comes complete with sewing machine table and electronic DC servo motor, 3/4 HP, 1-phase, 110 volt, 0-3300 RPM, drawer, belt, tools, LED lamp and instruction manual, brand new, packed in sealed boxes, and never been used before. Professional assembly may required. Up to 4,500 stitches per minute, identical to and replaces DDL-8500 models, replaces popular DDL-MS and DDL-888 models, but has more speed. Single needle lock stitch, maximum foot lift, 13 mm maximum stitch length, 5 mm maximum stitches, 6 stitches per inch. Needles 9 to 18 dBx1, 16x231, up to size 19. Sewing speed max 5,500 SPM, stitch length max 5 mm. Presser foot lift by hand max 5.5 mm, by knee max 13 mm. Needle bar stroke 30.7 mm. Hook, auto lubricating, full rotary hook, industrial sewing machi. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.